And we are back. Hi guys, welcome back to the Noober Sharks channel. And I have today here the chart of Euro USD, but stick with us because I don't talk only about Forex. I also talk about stock market and crypto market, and I'm gonna cover these three subjects along the video. This is the second video that we talk about volume here in the channel. The first video was really the basis one, okay? And today I want to talk about a very simple tool that helps you to check volume change, but I will also give you as a gift, as a free tool, my indicator, one of my, the indicator that I like the best to check volumes. Okay, it's called color candle. You have this free indicator inside the trading view. You have several versions of them, but I made my own and I'm gonna give this to you. Okay, so stick with us that I come back in less than 50 seconds.
Welcome to Noob Sharks, the channel dedicated to provide the latest trading knowledge. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, we've got you covered. If you're into cryptocurrencies, we'll keep you updated with the latest news and trends in the market. And if you're a stock, Forex or commodity trader, we'll give you the edge you need to succeed in the market. Our focus is on providing quality education, so you can make informed trading decisions. So, if you're ready to take your trading skills to the next level, smash the like, subscribe, turn on the notifications and share with your friends. If you want to support us, you can donate your bats from your Brave browser or check the video description for great opportunities on affiliate links, donation wallets and our great merch store. Buckle up and get ready, we are about to start.
And we are back, okay? Well, let's start first just checking this chart a little, and we can see a lot of interesting things, right? You can see the price is going up and the volume is going up. Suddenly the price drops, okay? And this volume difference could make us believe that, okay, price doesn't want to go down. This is probably a retracement bar or whatever, and the price might go up now and get higher and higher. Then we have two candles, showing that the volume decreased. So these two candles were quite tricky because they are telling us something, like trader, pay attention, something is going to happen. So the market could go sideways or even drop, and this is what happened, okay? And then we have a big drop, okay? Then you have a big drop here. And once you have these two candles here, okay? But when the price was dropping, volume was dropping too, and say, oh, we might have a trend reversal, okay? When you see these two candles here, you could check the volume and maybe believe, okay, we are gonna have a trend change, but pay attention at this, bar patterns or candle patterns, they are terrible, okay? And in the end, we saw again the price going down with an increase in volume. Okay, it's not much compared to this, but you can see that we have a volume going up, and we have another interesting situation because the price was going slightly up and the volume was going really down, and then we went back to a downtrend. Okay, this is, volume is not magic, okay, but volume can help. You can add volume to the tools that you use it in your daily basis, okay? But there's one thing you can do. You can come here, okay? And you can include a moving average here in volume, okay? And I can come here, just check volume MA, and we have a volume MA here. And this is tricky, how many periods should I use in my MA? This is, there is no perfect answer. I'm gonna tell you what I like to do. I want to have a wise periods, in my EMA here. For example, if I'm looking at the daily charts, okay. Oh, I have some marks here. You see, I made something here. And what do I like to do? If I'm working on a daily chart, okay. So I want to use a period that makes sense. For example, 14 days. Let's see if the volume is higher or lower than the average of the 14 days. Okay, so it's 2 weeks, right? If I want to make a swing trade or something, so 2 weeks, is a quite interesting time. Oh, but I wanna hold it for long, okay? So I wanna see the last 30 days, the last month, okay? And I can see what the price, what is the price movement based on this MA length, okay? And you decide in the end what's the best for you. You can, for example, you are here on 5 minutes, scalping a lot, scalping up, scalping down, and you might want to see what is the movement of the last 3 hours. So every hour has 120. Every hour has six. Sorry, made a wrong calculation, thinking another stuff. So every hour has 60 divided by 5, 12. I was talking about 112, 120. I'm getting crazy, okay? So we have 12 bars of 5 minutes, okay? So if you want to look at the last 3 hours, so you have to have a period of 36, right? So 36 candle of 5 minutes will give you a good average, for example, to make some trades here on the scalping, okay? Nice. But there's another thing I like, because these candles are really important, right? These candles, they are, oh, look at what's going on now. They mark very important regions, okay? And it's very tough to look here. Oh, the price, the volume is up, compared to the moving average, the volume is down, and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna show you one indicator that I like to use, and after I'm gonna show you mine, right? Let's come here, indicator, and you can type here color candle. You know that there is a lot of indicators that are coloring candles, right? You know that, but I don't know, most of them, they just mess me around. I don't like them, okay? So one thing that I like is here, institutional color candle. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about this indicator, okay? This institutional color candle, okay? You have just bar colors, okay? And what we are doing here, we are plotting the volume up to here, okay? So if you see a red candle, it means that you have a big volume there. In the end, it means that you have the market maker participation on this candle for sure. For sure. When you see the orange candle, okay, there was a whale participation, there was a market maker participation, but it's a very nice candle. It's a very nice candle, okay? But it's not as good as the red one. When we have the yellow one, you have a mix, okay? You have some whales, you have some retailers, and they are participating on that price change. And here you have basically retailers, okay? Color white, it's okay. We have only small fish in the market. And if you see this aqua here, you have only small fishes. So this is just like magic in the chart. If you remember the first video, I told you about the price going up and the volume going up. Then we have some sort of retracement, and then you see price going up again with a low volume, and then we expect a change of the trend. Okay, can you see this? Okay, you have up and you have a down, but then you have again an uptrend with volume and down with low volume, and finally you have an uptrend with low volume, and then you have a price change. Okay, here you can see this again. Okay, uptrend, high volume. Okay, downtrend, low volume, uptrend, low volume, and then you have a retracement. Okay, so this is really great, guys. Okay, but I'm not going to use this indicator. Okay, I'm going to use my indicator. Okay, and it calls institutional. Okay, it calls institutional volume plus RSI on candles, and you're gonna see the magic happen. Oh, please, how can I get this indicator? Okay, you have my website here. It's on the video description or fixed on first comments. Okay, it's noobsharks.com, and then there you have a menu of with a page written there, free trading view indicators, and you can go there, you can download it, okay, and you can use this in your chart. How you should do this? Okay, you're gonna see there a text file. okay? And the text file. I'm gonna make a simulation here because this might be something really new for you, okay? Let me get. Okay, let's do the following. Let's do it the way it should be, okay? Noobsharks.com. Please have in mind that I'm a Brazilian guy. That's the reason my accent is terrible, but I hope you can understand, okay? And I made this site a couple of time ago, and you come here, it's important for you to know, you have some trading strategies. Okay, we have, if you want, we can create your indicator. And we have another Brazilian YouTube channel. I have to update this, and we have Twitch live, daily lives, but it's going to be in Portuguese by now. Okay. If for some reason I start doing lives in English, I'm gonna write here in the description of this video so you can follow. Okay. But what's important for us at the moment? Okay, you have a free trading view indicators. Okay. And let's say and there's a lot of nice ones. Unfortunately, if you click here, related video, it will probably be in Brazilian Portuguese. Okay, I hope you don't mind. You have to use the closed captions. Okay, let me see here. Triple liquidation levels, blah blah blah. Here, institutional volume plus RSI candle. So you click here. Okay, you're gonna see a text file. Okay, you just copy it. Okay, just copy it. There is a kind of remarks here. So if you like this indicator, if you think I deserve some credits, you have some donation wallets, you have some ways to support me. Okay, and then you come here. No matter what's written here, okay, you just come here at open and indicator. Okay, and everything you get cleaned here. Delete all of this stuff and then you paste it. And finally you save it, okay? So you can have it for you forever. And you add it to the chart, okay? And I'm gonna show you this here. Okay, I have both of them here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Only one is quite enough, okay? Nice. First, I made a very small adjustment here because I like to change the colors a little bit. I prefer to have the blue as the real small fish movements, okay? The rest is basically the same, but you have some configurations here, okay? So you have a way, okay, to adjust, because I don't talk about absolute volume here. The indicator is plotting relative volume based on the past, okay? And this is the configurations I like the best. You can test whatever you want. And if there is one magic thing here, I also included the RSI. And you can put here the length, overbought, oversold, bull bear limit, and sideways factor, okay? This sideways factor is more or less to give some I don't know, give some margin for this region of a bull bear, because we know 50, above 50 it's bull, below 50 it's bear, right? So I have a 5% 5%, how can I say the margin here, okay? I'm gonna explain you how does it work, okay? On style you can change everything, okay? So you have the volume limits here if you like a different one, and you also have here, the RSI, and we have finally this big line here. I'm gonna explain you everything. I'm not going to talk about RSI today, okay? But you can see this here. You see there is a small red triangle over the candle if the RSI is over 80, okay? And it seems we don't have any example here of oversold at the moment. Let's take a guy with a very big volatility. Come on, Bitcoin. You're gonna help me here. I know you're gonna help me here. Okay? And no. Okay, whoa. It's on 5 minutes chart. Come on. And you see here, right? Okay, there is a small green triangle if the RSI is below 20. Okay, and in this bar here, if the color is blue, it means that the RSI is above 50. If you see orange, the RSI is below 50, and you remember you have a 5% margin, right? So it's not really 50, okay? It's 50, it's below 50 minus 5%. And here it's above 50 plus 5%, okay? And these gray zones is basically no trading zones. It's a place where the RSI is at 50 plus minus 5%, okay? And you can see that this can help a lot, guys. This indicator can help you a lot. And in the end, how to use it? I'm gonna take the RSI figure out today because this is not our target, okay? I'm gonna look only, so you have two indicators in only one, saving your trading view spots, and something that really works. So what I like to do here, guys, I like to search for the red candles, because these red candles, okay, orange, but the red candles are great. Normally you gain a momentum when a whale gets into the market, okay, and push the prices, okay. When the price is not more interesting to the whale stops pushing the price, and the retailers starts to move the price. And this is what happens in all of this area. And normally, when the whale stops pushing it up, for example, the whale starts to distributing these tokens or these assets or these stocks or whatever it is. And you see what is happening in front of us, okay? So I like to look at these levels, okay? This looks to be a very interesting zone to trade shorts, and this is happening in front of our face, okay? When the price breaks down, and this is a very interesting region to start placing longs or buying, okay? Because maybe we can see the retailers working here, okay, while the whale is accumulating, and suddenly the price might goes up. One important point, okay? If you see some breakup with a volume, it means that the whale desires a higher price, okay? So it's also very interesting to see what happened here, looking at the movements of the retailers, okay? And in the other hand, if you see a very big red candle down, it means that the whale wants the price lower, okay? And just follow the whales, forget the small fish, okay? At the moment, it seems by this red candle here and by this yellow candle that the whales are already distributed the asset, wants to push the price lower, to keep it lower and lower. So we have to see when the price reaches the area here, or even accumulating again and move up. And these movements, guys, they happens on 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month. Just respect the movement amplitude of each time frame. Have fun, make profits, and thanks a lot. Please help us, support us, and share and like this channel.